Power, precision, portability. The Rutlands Brushless Cordless 40V Plunge saw delivers it all. Complete with a 1.4-meter guide rail, two 20-volt 4-amp-hour batteries, and a dual-port charger, the saw is ready to go straight out of the box. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it delivers consistent power and torque under load. Switch modes in seconds with the 3-position dial. Free plunge mode is for standard everyday cuts. Scoring mode cuts at 2.5mm for chip-free finishes on melamine and veneer-faced boards. And blade change mode locks the blade in place for quick swaps using the onboard hex key. The included ultra-thin 1.6mm kerf blade is designed to remove less material, reduce power drain, and extend runtime. Variable speed control ranges from 2,000 to 5,500 RPM and is indicated with a 5-level LED display. The anti-tip lock secures the saw onto the guide rail for flawless bevel cuts, with a capacity from -1 degree to 47 degrees. Additionally, a 2-position depth stop allows for accurate cutting at precise measurements. The 1.4-meter guide rail features dual anti-slip strips for stability and a sacrificial splinter guard that trims to the kerf, showing the exact cutting line. It's built for accuracy and durability. The Rutlands Brushless Cordless 40V Plunge saw system gives you everything you need for precision cutting.